So this came in before we took the delivery of the bike. So now we are going to use it properly. We're going to see how it works, what kind of practicality does it provide. So let's see. So if you put it tightly, so it settles down over here so that the wheels can roll. Just always open this panel. It's very easy to open over here. There were like only three keys which I barely took on my hand. So I'm going to clean it right now. Once done, I'll seal it down.